snow in response to your text you just sent, which said, "Is it snowing there?" Ha! I laugh at that. Anyway, the wind's blowing pretty strong. I don't know if you can tell how much snow that is blowing all over the place. Thankfully, the sidewalk I'm on is pretty well plowed. The side street I went down to get to the pharmacy, I was not so lucky, and I made the attempt to jog through it, and I ended up wearing myself out pretty quickly. So, anyway, where it's not plowed, it's easily several feet, or well, a foot, but over a foot and a half with the drifts. Here comes a plow truck, which is actually a converted garbage truck, making it my two greatest fears in the world combined coming at me. Anyway, so I'm about a block away. This is the Elm Street bus stop, or Maple rather, and I got about another half a block to go to my place. Right here they didn't plow this part of Maple, this is the apartment, so it's going to be pretty thick walking through. Whew. You can probably hear the siren in the background. They're actually sending the crews out in twos in case one of them gets stuck. Another crew is right behind it, like an ambulance and a fire truck, so the other one can attend to the person in trouble while the one that's stuck gets unstuck. Actually, the scariest thing, I'm hoping that we'll see some, is the thunder lightning, because everything just goes blue. All the snow reflects wherever the flash is, and it just goes this eerie blue color for a few seconds, and then it goes away. It's really creepy, and then you hear a far off boom of the thunder. So it's pretty creepy and pretty awesome. You also hear things snapping every here and there. I assume that's the trees, but with this kind of visibility you can't see a damn thing. Usually I can see that building and a whole host of other buildings along the skyline that I'm panning. I can't see any of them now. So I'm back, and it wasn't too bad. I'm pretty cold, and this is pretty intense.